Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, dollar inches higher after previous day's jump. Investors look to Fed next week. That's why we can see that market is more or less slow, dull, stagnant, not much movement activity going on. If you look at the chart of DXY, we can see that DXY has crossed the resistance or trying to cross the resistance we have been discussing in our video for the last couple of days, and that is 105.30 to 105.50. It is right now standing at the 50 moving average here. In our previous video, we have discussed that DXY needs to cross 105.50 to resume the uptrend. Overall, DXY is very much under the dominance of sellers right now, but still we could see some recovery, and if DXY wants to continue the recovery, it will have to cross 105.50 level, and if it crosses this level here, then the next important level will be 107 for DXY. So things are not very positive for DXY right now. It has got many hurdles to cross. Let's wait and watch next week. Next week will be important for the US dollar because of the upcoming meetings. Now let's have a look at the chart of euro dollar, the fiber. Euro dollar, as we can see that euro dollar is trading in a more or less upward channel, and there's no doubt that overall the trend of euro USD is towards the upside. Yesterday in my video, euro USD was somewhere around here, and I clearly told everyone that you should avoid taking buy position because euro USD was trying to take support, but there was not much strength on the side of buyers, so high chance of market breaking the support, and we saw market broke the support. But after breaking the support also, we can easily see that there is no significant downward move also. So market is flat, there is not much volume. As a result, we can see this type of market is in waiting mode right now. Market is waiting and market watching. This is a weekly chart of euro USD, and as we have already seen in my previous video, that on the weekly chart, the 50 moving average is creating some trouble. You can see market is unable to cross the 50 moving average. Price is being rejected from above. And if we observe the basic structure of the chart of euro USD on a 4 hours time frame, we can see that more or less market is in uptrend because market is constantly breaking the previous high. Market is forming higher highs. So yes, we can consider the market to be in uptrend. As long as market does not cross this level here, we will consider the market to be in uptrend only. As long as market is forming higher highs and higher lows. So right now the two important price levels are 1.0400, 1.03, 1.0430. This level is important for the market because to continue this present structure here, euro USD need to take support around 1.0400, 1.0430 level. Why we are considering this particular range only? Because of previous price rejection around this area, and the same zone also falls on the trend line, which is also acting as the dynamic support for the market. So to continue this structure here, euro USD needs to take support. If euro USD takes support and bounces from this area, we can consider taking a buy position because logically this is a support for us right now. And on the other hand, if DXY shows a sharp up move during the day, then in that case market may break the support, market may break the trend line, but do not take any sell position because what is the structure here? The structure is towards the upside. So if you take a position against the trend of the market, it can be dangerous. So don't make the mistake. You simply wait for 1.0350 level. Two things will happen if market breaks the trend line. First of all, market will come to the next support of 1.0350. If it comes to 1.0350, observe the market. High chance of market taking support because this is the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. If market takes support and bounces, we will definitely get the confirmation that market is respecting Fibonacci and we can take the buy position. And on the other hand, you may also see market breaking the trend line, okay, but after hitting some stop losses, after some stop loss hunting, market will go up again. This is also very much possible. If you have been trading for a couple of months to years, then you know it very well that stop loss hunting is a bitter reality of the market. So to save yourself, okay, so to save yourself from stop loss hunting, okay, try to avoid going against the trend of the market. So if market breaks also the trend line, wait and watch, okay, wait for this level or wait for the market to hunt some stop losses. Once you will see the market is going up again, market is trading above the trend line again, you can take a buy position immediately. Okay, so these two levels will be very important for Euro USD. If you're wondering about the next resistance, then it can be a little bit tricky. First of all, we have an upward channel on the market right now, and if we follow the rules of the channel, then obviously this is our next resistance. Okay, this is our next resistance. It will be around 1.063040. okay, this is a dynamic resistance, so there is no exact number. Okay, we will only get to know when market will hit the trend line at the top and it will start reversing. Then only we will get the number. So first of all, the line at the top is a resistance for us, but the problem is that we are seeing reversal from the 50 moving average on the weekly chart, and 50 moving average is constantly coming down. Okay, so if really the 50 moving average is the resistance here, then the next resistance, instead of the next high, or the previous high, the next resistance may be, okay, the next resistance may be around 1.0430 as well. So as a result, we do not have a clarity about the next resistance. In case market starts going up, you can, and if you see market is breaking 1.0430 level, then you will get the confirmation that yes, either the previous high will act as resistance or the trend line at the top will act as resistance. Okay, but there is not much clarity like the support. So as a result, follow the trend. Don't need to take headache, my dear friend. Okay, just trade accordingly. There's not much activity going on in the market right now. Market is in chilling mode. Christmas is around the corner, so enjoy. And please follow proper risk management. See, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. See, I'm recording the video during the Asian session. Many things may change during the European session and US session. So do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Be careful. Bye-bye. Take care.